Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss exercise number 1.5 question number 5 from class 9 Cbse. The question is rationalize the denominators of the following. Okay, before starting the sum, let me remind you one thing. What is the meaning rationalize? Okay, and what are the things required to do the rationalizing? Let us learn something here now. Rationalization is nothing but making rational number the given irrational number, okay, whether it may be root 2 or root 3 or root 5 or 2 plus root 2. The question will be given some irrational number. That irrational number we have to make it rational. Okay, that process what do you call now? Rationalizing or rationalization. Okay, whether it may be in the numerator or whether it may be in the numerator. So let us see here now. I give one number here now, root 2. Root 2 is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational number. If I want to make it rational, root 2 is irrational number, but I want to make it rational. What to do? We should multiply by some numbers. We should multiply by some numbers. Let us see here now. I multiply by root 2. If I multiply by root 2 means what answer will come? Root 2 into root 2, answer will be 2. So now tell me, root 2 is rational number or not? Yes, this is rational number. Okay. To get this rational number, what number I am multiplying here now? Root 2 I am multiplying. This root 2 is called rationalizing factor. This is very important. What I want to tell you, got it? Have you got it now? If you want to make the rational number, you must know rationalizing factor of the given irrational. Okay, so root 2 is the irrational. I multiply by root 2, I got rational. So what number we are multiplying? Root 2. This root 2 is called rationalizing factor. Okay, but let us see one more example now. Root 2. I multiply by 2 root 2. Okay, now here 1 is there. 2 ones are 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Answer is 4. This 4 also rational number or not? Yes, this also rational number. Okay, but what number I am multiplying here now? 2 root 2. Root 2 is the irrational. To get the rational number, I multiply by 2 root 2. But we got rational number now. What number we are multiplying? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 also rationalizing factor. Why it comes to different answer? Here we are telling that root 2 also rationalizing factor, 2 root 2 also rationalizing factor. Okay, from this example we can learn that rationalizing factor of any irrational number is not unique. You can multiply by any number, but answer should come rational. Okay, but one thing you must keep in mind, when you are doing the rationalizing, always you should multiply by simplest rationalizing factor. Always you should multiply by simplest rationalizing factor. Tell me now, multiply by root 2 also rational. Multiply by 2 root 2 also rational. Which one is the simplest one? Root 2 is the simplest one. So like that you should multiply by simplest form of rationalizing factor. Okay, let us start now. Question number 1. 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7. So the question asking there, rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is irrational number. We want to make rational now. What to do? What is the rationalizing factor of root 7? You must know. This single number, no, there is no number at all. Understand? This is called simple surd. Understand? Simple surd, monomial. So like this coming means very simple. You should multiply by same number itself. Okay. If down number is multiplying means up also multiply by root 7 itself. Okay, both numerator and denominator multiply by same number. Now you will get 1 into root 7, root 7. Root 7 into root 7, answer will be 7. Okay, root 7 into root 7 means what is the meaning? Root 7 is square. Square cancel, answer is 7. So now denominator becomes rational. Okay, this is called rationalizing. Let us see second one. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here we are discussing about only one monomial. Okay, like this binomial coming means what to do? You have to multiply by same number but different sign. For example, see if a minus root b, two numbers are there now. If you want to make rational number means you should multiply by a plus root b. This number is called what? Conjugate. When it comes binomial means you should multiply by same number but different sign. So this number is called conjugate of this number. Okay, so you should multiply by conjugate. Okay, now tell me what is the conjugate of this number? Root 7 plus root 6. Here multiply by this number means up also multiply by same number, root 7 plus root 6. Okay, 1 and any number multiply means same answer will come, root 7 plus root 6. Now in the down number it will come a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. So tell me what is the a value here now? Root 7. Root 7 square minus root 6 square. Okay, root 7 and root 6 we can't do anything. Addition means only same set. This is not the same set now. Root 7 plus root 6 we can't do anything. But here root 7 square 7 minus root 6 square is 6. What is the answer now? Root 7 plus root 6 by 1. 1 means without writing also no problem. Now 1 becomes rational number like this. Okay, answer you can write root 7 plus root 6. So this is called rationalizing. Okay, so let me do one more sum now. Question number third sum, and the last sum will be yours. Okay, third sum, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So here also denominator is binomial now. That means what to do? You should multiply by conjugate of this number, root 5 minus root 2, root 5 minus root 2. So any number multiply with 1 means same number, root 5 minus root 2, and now it is in the form of a square, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Root 5 minus root 2 we can't do anything, but this one, root 5 square means 5, root 2 square means 2, root 2 square means 2. Now what is answer? Answer will get root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Now 3 becomes rational. So this is called rationalizing. Okay children. Okay, in the next video I will show you some more questions which is not from the book. Okay, let's see in the next video. Till then, goodbye children.